Hi everybody! Happy sunset day! We are on the new place. This is Kapalua Airport, and you can walk here. There's a space for walk, running, and what else you can do here. Oh, there's a road! What's that? Going uphill? Oh, okay. It's beautiful here. Oh, there's a little baggy. There's a little baggy. There's a pine tree. Tamang lakad lang. And then babalik kami. Babalik kami. Kasi ano yung sasakyan. Hindi man sa taas. Ang ganda dito. Kita mo lahat yung ano. Kita mo diyan yung dagat. Kitang-kita. Lakad lang. School yan. Nalipat dito yung school. Elementary school, right?
Yes.
Kasi nasunog nung nagkaroon ng wildfire dito. Diyan, dito nilipat.
Fire and it burned down.
Okay.
So they moved it here.
Okay. Ang ganda dito, grabe, nakaka-relax. Eh, bago kami paglalakaran. How do you pronounce that one? Kameha.
Yeah, King Kamehameha.
King Kamehameha. King Kamehameha.
You can look at the talk about it in there. One of the kings of Hawaii.
Guys, babalik na kami. Sobrang mahangin. Ang sarap maglakad dito. Mataas naman siya. Small airport yan dito sa Lahaina. And ito yung school na nalipat. Nahirapan ako magbasa. Kami. I think 7 o'clock. What time is it? 7:30? 7:12. Sarap ng hangin. Thank you, Lord. Ang sarap dito, guys. Talaga siya. Kaya pag sumakay ka dun sa airport na yan, sobrang wavy nung airplane. Kasi maliit lang siya. Diba? Yeah. Pero mabilis kasi yung Honolulu, malapit lang dito yan. Yung ibang island. Few minutes lang siya. Pero dun kami sumasakay sa main airport ng Maui. Drive other side sa kabila. Kasi nakakatakot. Maliit yung plane. And sobrang wavy niya talaga. Sabi ni Brendan.
Here's his name, his full name.
Grabe. Napakahaba ng pangalan. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. This is the short one.
He became King Kamehameha in 1825 at age 10.
It's hard to read.
He understood education was important for the future. By 1831, there was 1,000 public schools. Wow. With 52,000 kids educated in the Hawaiian language.
This one? Before?
No, not here before, but around all islands.
Okay.
At the same year, the high school in Lahaina above was established. So, at the same year, in 1831, this high school was made.
Oh, I
In
see.
1840, Constitution established a free public Hawaiian school system required by all students to attend. Upon his death in 1854, the kingdom had indeed become a kingdom of letters, of learning. On these grounds, the royal residence stood the Lahaina Public School. In 1913, a new school building was constructed. The territorial government of Hawaii resolved to acknowledge his contributions and reign. So he was most important in making schools all over Hawaii. Public schools, how's that possible?
That's amazing.
Not that many. No room for 1,000 schools.
Yeah. It's amazing, huh? Wow, look at that.
Wow.
Grabe, ang ganda ng sunset. Wow. Wow, pink.
Sa ilalim ng liwanag at hawakan ang iyong tapang.